Hi everyone, my name is Amjad Ali from UKeeper. Today we have another personality and let's learn who is she and what she is doing in market and why she is Toastmaster. Welcome Toastmaster Vandana Jain.
Thank you so much, and thanks for inviting me over here.
It's a privilege for us to have you in our show. So we would like to know who is Miss Vandana Jain.
Bandana Jain is a freelance journalist who has been in the media industry for roughly 2 decades. And I have been a blogger, recently taken to blogging. And as a journalist, I have been writing for the top publications of UAE journals, including the supplements of Gulf News, Friday Magazine, Express, Unwind. As a journalist, I have been a reporter doing high-profile interviews of company personalities, honchos, directors, chairmen, and also Bollywood personalities.
Interesting to know that. Okay, now since you are a Toastmaster, right?
Yes.
How long you been a Toastmaster?
I have been a Toastmaster for roughly 2 years now.
2 years.
Yes.
And why did you join Toastmasters?
Well, I am a very creative oriented person, and I'm looking for avenues for developing my personality, to be very honest. And after journalism and blogging, I think the very first thing that came to my mind was to remove my stage fear. And I was still thinking about how to do it when Toastmasters literally fell into my lap. And I embraced it with open arms. And I can safely credit my removal of stage fear to Toastmasters. And today I have the guts to host about 600 people. I am an anchor, I am a public speaker. I am also conducting creative writing workshops for children at school. So I think the entire confidence has come up due to Toastmasters.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have one more successful example of Toastmaster. So there is nothing like that. There is nothing better than Toastmastering. So why you are not going to join? I'm sure few of you are Toastmasters, and who are not Toastmasters, they will be joining very soon with these inspiring people. Because these people are there to inspire us. They are the reason. They are the proved examples. They were good in language. They were good in business. They were good in making money, but they had stage fright. And Toastmaster helped them to remove this stage fright. Now, stage fright kind of thing does not exist in their life. Now, Miss Bandana, please tell us why we should join Toastmasters according to you.
Well, according to me, Toastmasters works like a magic to improve not only your public speaking skills, but also your creativity, and it also builds up your team spirit. So, according to me, there are multifaceted advantages of joining Toastmasters. First of all, it teaches you the value of time. It will teach you how much you can pack in a 2 hours meeting. Believe me, before this, I never knew that 2 hours could be so phenomenal, could make such a lot of difference in my life. Secondly, it brings about team spirit. It teaches you how to work in a team. It will teach you how to coordinate with the different Toastmasters and how to get the best out of them and how they can contribute to the best of the meeting.
I see.
Thirdly, Toastmasters teaches you networking. It will open up a brilliant world of networking opportunities for you. Believe me, the day I have joined Toastmasters, since that day till this date, my circle has widened like anything. people know me much more than what they knew me just as a journalist and as a blogger. So I have met, I think, the most wonderful people in the Toastmasters fraternity, and how cooperative and how supportive they have been towards my journey.
Great. Tell me one thing. What is the one major difference in your personal life? Then I will come to professional life. One major difference in your personal life.
After joining Toastmasters. Well, I would say that Toastmasters has really helped me manage my time very efficiently. Now I know how to manage my time between writing, blogging, and public speaking. Earlier it was just journalism and blogging. So now I have added another feather to my hat, and I'm still able to manage it in the given time that I have.
Wonderful. So, what is that one major difference after joining Toastmasters in your professional life?
In my professional life, I can see myself much more confident when I'm coordinating with the public relation companies, when I'm talking to the general public as such, when I'm doing my interviews for my articles, whether it is a normal layman or whether it is a high profile personality, it just doesn't matter to me. I am confident either ways.
Okay, tell us something why somebody should join Toastmasters.
Well, as I said earlier, once you join Toastmasters, you will feel the benefits coming into your life. You will see how well you manage your time. You will see how famous you become because you will do very nice networking. Thirdly, you will be speaking so confidently. That is the biggest advantage of joining Toastmasters. You will see that you are no more hesitant in talking to people. You will feel very, very confident, and you will see a new you altogether.
Alright, that's the reason our channel is named as You Keeper.
Yes, exactly.
Alright, great. So now, where do you see yourself as a Toastmaster in next 3 to 5 years?
Well, as a Toastmaster in these 2 years, I feel I have already made a phenomenal progress, because I have anchored award ceremonies, I have spoken in front of high profile personalities like Sheikh Mohammed bin Suhail, and I see myself as a very famous TV anchor. I see myself coming on TV as a very famous personality in the next 2 years, and
so we have you first.
I do hope to be in front of the masses as a very confident public speaker.
So we have celebrity on our show. Remember, guys.
So that's what I aim to be, and I hope the world sees me as a very, very confident speaker in the next 2 years.
We can see you, definitely. There is no doubt about it. We can see you right now as a successful anchor, happy, ever smiling.
Yes.
And we wish you good luck for that.
Hopefully, I should be on TV with some famous Bollywood personalities,
Right.
interviewing them, taking their opinions and thoughts.
We would love to see you on TV as well. This is your first TV, indeed.
Yes.
All right.
Inshallah.
So that's the reason we are feeling privileged to have you on our show. All right.
Thank you.
Since that's what you are aspiring for. In terms of leadership, what is your opinion? What is the definition of leadership according to your, in your words? What do you mean? How you can describe leadership in your wording?
Well, according to me, a leader is the one who goes the way, shows the way, and takes his people along ahead on the same path that he's treading. So Toastmasters has actually helped me hone my skills as a leader as well. Because today I not only am a speaker, I am a mentor to many other speakers as well. So whenever they approach me with any kind of questions, I feel so proud helping them out.
Wonderful.
And I just hope that I can show them a path that I have taken myself.
Wonderful.
Also, as a leader, Toastmaster has helped me come up as the VP head of my Arabian Dreams Toastmasters Club. And I'm forever working on ways to take my club much ahead than what it is today.
We believe so.
Yes.
You are capable of doing taking your club to next level, and you will be doing it. We are more confident than yourself. So, in last, what message would you like to give to people around you?
I would like to say that each and every person in this world needs to be a Toastmaster. Whatever field you belong to, whether you are a housewife, whether you are a teacher, whether you are an industry professional, or just about anything, Toastmaster is something that should be followed by each and every person in this world. And believe me, it's a magical journey altogether. You have to be a Toastmaster to feel the difference in you.
Now, I second her opinion. The reason with 4 values what we practice in Toastmasters fraternity. Number 1, integrity. Number 2, respect. Number 3, service. Number 4, excellence. That's the reason we all believe we all should be a Toastmaster. And that nurtures our personalities. Does not matter which field you belong to. You are a housewife, are you a homemaker, are you a businessman, you are an employee. Does not matter. It improves person's life dramatically. And I can see change in myself as well. And that's the reason I'm passionate to bring out and expose people who are not being exposed in Toastmasters. And they are successful people like Bandana Jain. They are successful and they just wanted to impress or inspire people. They have been doing it, they have been doing a lot in industries, but again it shows that stage fear is common in every single person. But there is something called Toastmasters where you can overcome your fear. But she has done it, and I'm one of the examples. So why not you? We would urge you to come join us in one of the meetings, and you can also challenge yourself and overcome your stage fear. With that, Madam Bandana Jain, thank you very much for your time, and it's been a wonderful session, and it's been wonderful knowing you as person. And yeah, thank you so much.
It was my pleasure as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and see you soon. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you all. God bless you.